Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate where the intake air temperature sensor fuse is located on a 2012 Ford F-150. If you have a different year but the same generation, video may be helpful as well, guys. Right here we're going to come open the fuse box like that. That fuse box is right under the hood. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right above the radiators you have a fuse box. You open it, you will face it that way with the relays pointing. They will be towards the windshield side on the back, and that will be towards you. Now you can see, guys, how you have different kinds of fuses and relays. Some of those JK's fuses and relays can be really expensive, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get ours from at a really good price and quick shipping. First, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays, and then we'll continue. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now let's explain, guys. Right here, the fuse for the intake air temperature sensor, okay, it's known as a vehicle power fuse, but it's in that row right here, guys. You can see that row specifically right there. And if you start from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2. That 20 amp fuse, this is known as fuse number 76, guys. 76, that's for the mass airflow sensor, intake air temperature sensor, and other engine components as well. Very important fuse, guys. So that 20 amp fuse will need to be checked. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.